Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're embracing the gentle charm of summer with a touch of cottagecore. If you appreciate simple pleasures, vintage accents, and the tranquility of nature, this style might resonate with you. In this video, I'll share 15 easy and inspiring ideas to infuse your home with the soft, nostalgic beauty of cottagecore this summer. Let's begin. Floral tablecloths and vintage china. Adorn your dining table with a floral tablecloth and set it with vintage china. This creates a charming setting for summer meals. Lace curtains for a soft glow. Replace heavy drapes with lace curtains to allow natural light to filter in, adding a delicate touch to your rooms. Wildflower bouquets in mason jars. Gather wildflowers and place them in mason jars for a simple yet beautiful arrangement that brings the outdoors inside. Wicker baskets for storage. Use wicker baskets to store blankets, magazines, or other items, adding both functionality and rustic charm. Botanical prints on the walls. Decorate your walls with botanical prints or pressed flowers to enhance the natural cottagecore aesthetic. Vintage books as decor. Stack vintage books on shelves or coffee tables to add character and a sense of history to your space. Soft pastel throw pillows. Incorporate throw pillows in soft pastel colors to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Wooden crates as shelving. Repurpose wooden crates as shelves to display plants, books, or decorative items, adding a rustic touch. Handmade pottery and ceramics. Display handmade pottery or ceramics to introduce artisanal elements into your decor. String lights for evening ambience. Hang string lights indoors or on your porch to create a warm and inviting ambience during summer evenings. Herb garden in the kitchen. Start a small herb garden on your windowsill to bring greenery and fresh scents into your kitchen. Embroidered linens and napkins. Use embroidered linens or napkins to add a personal and vintage touch to your dining experience. Antique mirrors to reflect light. Place antique mirrors strategically to reflect natural light and make your rooms feel more spacious. Candles and glass holders. Arrange candles in glass holders to add warmth and a soft glow to your evenings. Outdoor picnic setups. Set up a cozy picnic area in your backyard with a blanket, cushions, and a basket of treats to enjoy the summer weather. Thank you for joining me on this journey through summer cottagecore decorating ideas. I hope these suggestions inspire you to create a serene and charming atmosphere in your home this season. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more home decor inspiration. Feel free to share your own cottagecore decorating tips in the comments below. Until next time, take care and enjoy the simple pleasures of summer.